Hey no babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review on the ROSALIND package that I got here, as you could see. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do types of videos like I said here in this video. I will be going ahead and unboxing it, swatching, and showing you guys what I got here in this package. And also, if you guys are new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to check down below for any of my social media, any discount codes, as well as any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below as well as throughout this one, so make sure to go check it out if you guys haven't yet. And also, if you guys haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. But I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it. So here, as you can see, this is what the packaging looks like. It is kind of like a gold, and then it does have this print of little roses all over it with the logo, which is super cute. And then here on the back, it does have the logo again. So it is a gel polish kit. It does come with 10 pieces and it has all the ingredients. It is a 7-free formula, and also it does contain all the cautions here as well as everything else. So it does have this like plastic film on it, and I will be going in with my gold vintage scissors to unbox it. So I'm really happy to be going ahead and unboxing it. Also, I've never really heard of this brand, only like on the ads and stuff, but I was always curious of trying out their formula, trying out their products. But I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it. So here, as you can see, this is what it looks like. So here at the bottom it says be your own manicurist, which is so cute. So I'm not too sure how to open it, but I'm guessing okay, that should be fine. So as you can see, this is what it looks like once you first open it. So it does have a little card with what is it, UV nail gel, and it does have the little info on it. So it does say fun, fashion, fresh, super cute. Here it does have basically like a little manual on how to use it, how to remove it, how to do some little DIY art, as well as here in the back it does have questions and answers if you guys have any concerns and such. But here, as you can see, here we do have a 10-piece gel polish, which I'm really excited about swatching. So first, to talk about the packaging. So here we have just like white bottles, which these white bottles, I don't know if you guys could tell, but look how pretty that glitter is in. And I love the gold cap, super cute. So it does have ROSALIND gel polish. It does have the color in the front, which I do like. And then here on the back, it does say the best soak-off UV LED gel polish for you, main ingredients, and then just like some more info there. And then it does have their website, and that is super cute. I love the bottle on like the glitter that it has here, super cute. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And also, if you guys haven't seen yet, these are my nails. If you guys haven't seen, I did go ahead and change out the look. I did some matte crocs, so I think it's super cute, but I'm still over this hot pink. What do you guys think? Make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I did the croc, or if you guys want to see a new nail video. I am low-key over these, so make sure to comment down below what you guys think. But like I said, I will be going ahead and swatching these gels, so let's get on to swatching. Okay, so I will be going ahead and swatching these gel polishes as well as with my nail lamp and some clear swatch sticks. So let's get on to swatching the colors. So honestly, I think this is a collection of purples. So this first one, this is what she looks like. That is super nice. The formula looks really good too. I'm going in with the first layer. And this is what it looks like. It looks super pretty. Going ahead and swatching it and swatching the rest as well. So as you can see so far, this is what they're looking like. They are so pretty. So this one's kind of like a peachy pink. These are like kind of like lavender colors, lilac. This like darker neon purple. I am absolutely loving these, and I'm gonna finish swatching the rest now. Okay, so these were the last 4 swatches, and as you could see, I was surprised there is even some pink tones, so love that to add to the collection. So now we have a variety of pink and purple, which is super nice. If you guys are starting out your collection or want to start collecting, these are super cute colors. I absolutely love. They're super cute, as you could see. Such a cute variety. And definitely make sure to comment down below if I should do one of these colors next. I am low-key, I don't know why, but I'm low-key feeling like a dark, like, I don't know, this for my toes. I don't know, crazy, right? But yeah, as you could see, these are all the gels that are here. This is a collection of 10. And another thing I did forget to mention, all the numbers, I guess, are at the bottom. So I love that they are also numbered, so that way you know what is what. If you guys are looking for it or organize a specific kind of way, this is perfect. Like I said, again, I love the packaging. I love that you can see the color in the front, which I feel like it's like the most important part. So I definitely loved this little collection that I received. Super nice and cute. Really make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to check down below in the description for this collection, or if you guys are interested in the swatches, what nail lamp I use, make sure to check down below in the description. But this is it for the video. Like I said, do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my latest videos as well. And also do not forget to check down below for any discount codes, so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money whenever you guys are shopping with any of my favorite brands. So that would be the end to this video, and I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. I love the brand. Super nice. I've never tried it. It was my first time trying it again, but super nice. I love the formula, love the pigmentation. Super nice and good for this gel. So I definitely loved it, and I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.